Welcome to Standard Chartered Money Insights, a podcast series by Standard Chartered Bank that brings you market views and insights on the go.
Welcome to Cut to the Chase. Today is Tuesday, the 3rd of February. I'm Daniel Lam, your host for the podcast. The nomination of Walsh as Fed chairperson, plus the major moves in precious metals, have grabbed markets' attention. But over the last few days, there were also other important news, such as the Indian budget. Now, that remained focused on the theme of continuity by staying on the path of fiscal consolidation, maintaining its capex thrust, and boosting medium-term growth prospects via positive policy changes. Now, the finance minister highlighted three focal areas or duties from a medium-term perspective, namely, accelerate and sustain growth, fulfill aspirations of people, and access to resources for all segments of the population for inclusive growth. Now, under accelerate and sustain growth, 6 crucial areas have been recognized over the next 5 years to boost medium-term growth prospects. These include areas such as capex, semiconductor and electronics, and capital goods production. Now, India's finance minister announced a tax holiday until 2047 for foreign cloud service providers using data center services from India. This is likely to yield gains over the medium term. The FM also announced a one-time measure to allow manufacturing units in special economic zones to sell a portion of their products in the domestic market at concessional rates, and this should support export-oriented industries amid tariff uncertainties. Importantly, the budget initiated the formation of several committees to recommend the path ahead to boost India's share in the global services sector to 10%, prepare banking and public sector non-banking financial companies to fund India's vision to become a developed market by 2047, and review ethics rules for non-debt investment by foreign investors, and so forth. Gradual fiscal consolidation provides the FM flexibility to balance fiscal consolidation while supporting economic activity in an uncertain year. The dollar INR was steady, and despite weak global equity sentiment in the recent sessions, Nifty got good support just above the 24,500 level. We continue to see adding opportunities for investors in Indian equities on earnings recovery and favorable policies. That is all from me for today. As always, if you enjoy this podcast, please don't forget to rate and like it. Thanks for listening, and we wish you a happy day ahead.
Thank you for listening to Standard Chartered Money Insights, a podcast series by Standard Chartered Bank. For more details, visit Market Views on the Go on our website or click the link in the description.